Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in sentiment at plus 0.14, alongside a momentum spike of plus 0.32. This isn't just noise, it's a clear divergence from our historical baseline, suggesting a shift in market psychology that's worth your attention. With 20 semantic clusters at play, our API returns detailed insights on sentiment trends, enabling you to track and analyze this shift in real time. Imagine you're designing an algorithmic trading strategy. By leveraging this sentiment data, you can refine your entry and exit points based on the underlying market sentiment, potentially enhancing your returns. If you want to dive deeper and see how to integrate this into your projects, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the power of sentiment together.